Uarnap data na Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong Lawan hakakedan ka nyngkong hak result jong exam Higher Secondary School Living Certificate HSSLC Science Stream jong Meghalaya Board of School Education MBOSE dakabakur South Park Prapulai Marks mentaus 6 arja arpulai. Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School kala keni ru ya kakerdan nyngkong hak examen Higher Secondary School Living Certificate Commerce Stream jong MBOSE lingba Urisha Purkayastha ublakhor South Park Prapusau Marks ya kini result depan benaha ka step jong khandai tere ujamang arja arpulai ya kakerdan ka baar na ka result jong HSSLC Stream layo ban khor dak samla Steffi Niza Snaitang jong St Edmunds Higher Secondary School Shillong da South Park nyo Marks. Ya kakerdan ka baar na ka result jong HSSLC Commerce Stream layo ban khor ru akshat podar jong St Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong da South Park nyo Marks.
My name is Elisa Ritam. I'm from Nyngkong, West Atiar Hills, and I'm studying here in St. Edmund, and I got the 9th position in HSSLC exam.
What motivates you to work hard and achieve such high marks in the SSLC exam?
What motivates me is number one is parent, obviously, and then teachers, they are the one who motivates me. I used to study not much that like 7 or 8 hours. I just study like 1 hour, 1.5 to something like that. Nothing extraordinary.
So what study technique did you find most effective in preparing for the exam?
For this exam, first of all, I didn't go for tuition. I just doing self-studies at home. Learning from YouTube. Nowadays, there are so many videos that will help you. The most challenging subject, I think, none. I think you just have to clear the basics of every subject. Just learn why, and then that's all.
Recruiting job for Steffi Niza Snaitang, pass from St. Edmunds Higher Secondary School. Kani ka sini tolong sini kerja job shisha. Kani kau nak ayu play, baru kau kerja lah job. Kini yo second time at the state. But ki subjects ki bang yo distinction along the English, OT, physics, chemistry, biology, maths, more of the subjects. But ki subjects ki bang yo highest along the physics and chemistry. Kini snow adapt ke snow men ka ba naru daladi ngam laban patay ngam honestly ngam expect haduk kat ni mau makan koi haduk kat ni ti ngalan trik shikam ni de barok ke kecila pat kecil pusat kau ke Hakashisi untuk flash punta. Hakashisi nam dayo athan man krepat namar nga hapan be school tam step dadap school nga hapan tuition tikat banda poyeng kalong untuk news thing kabaji but jadi ibu ibam la khamin ibam la man step di import bangala man krepat akan tae di itu nga try ban in-depth ki assignments ki bangadan practical guide ki bangadan but hakan juga polmo ban create ko nangni shakman ke aim changa ke civil services ke hadin kami na plan ban graduate sha hakan juga pol nan create in the day na benda ke exams uwi ka message ka ba aju ai barabot ye ki parnok changa ye ki par changa kolong Boshe beli akmat, ada free boshe beli akmat, ki parok ki ada aktiviti, but kabaan kalong trishtam, mau hadatin paling be consistent, kalong hardworking, be determined, ki kabafile, give your best, heart and soul, tidak perlu, mau ki give your best, di katai, ini tadi nong film cakap cusu. The secondly ayun na bende play na bende ki make it pa blood judan dekat na hasinda ana ko por ki baju ay man sim nga machisha amdal palaban ay man sim nga ko ba ay ki pa tinga ayun na bende himan para janga ki bahin sam ki baju kin mau nga ha ki jinway but ya ke school. Hum nak berkait ke school memang kalau has played such an important role to shahkan ke success rumah. Yaki nong hikai hakan ke school kila long trai shitam shisha nakili jinkili hakan ko no por kilong oi benjubab kilong oi banyara pela but shisha kila ain si shisha na. Kata kede pasai panghapan extension ke portrait patla malkum mga ongam ni belaban kya ni tu belaban kisah ye try lada belaban katin hai ka portia
Good afternoon everyone, myself Rishabh Bukasto, and today I secured the first rank in commerce from Laban Bengalee Boys, and I'm very grateful for that. Yes, just like my friend said, that the teachers were the very biggest motivators. Along with that, my parents, even my friends and academic rivals from school itself, they really pushed me forward, and I think a big credit goes to them because directly or indirectly they did help me. Because when I saw my friend doing well in this subject, even I thought that maybe even I can be like him, even I can achieve like it is a very big achievement. I think the teachers really pushed us. They worked hard for this because last year we got the first rank from science, and even before that we got the first rank from commerce. And I think the teachers really wanted to repeat this again because they wanted to spread the message that we can create toppers. We can take an ordinary student and build him up in such a way that he can become a topper. I think the teachers really wanted to do that.
Hello everyone, my name is Charmin Kamsit and I'm a student of St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, and I got 7th rank. It's all because of the dedication of my parents, first of all, my teachers, and then my tutors and me myself. So it was a really difficult journey, but then everybody had motivated me and also inspired me a lot, and this was what had actually kept me going. So I would like to thank everyone, and that's all.
What's your message to your fellow students who have made it and who have not made it?
Okay, so to the students who have not made it, I'll just say that we have to work hard, we have to be consistent, and we have to be determined. If we're not consistent and hardworking, then it's difficult to achieve the goals that we want to achieve. And to the students who have achieved, I would like to say that they have really done a great job, and yeah, that's all.
Okay, what's your future plan?
Future plan? I'm planning to. I've attended NEET last Sunday, and then I think I'll have to take coaching for a year, and then I'll attempt NEET again. And after that, if I crack NEET successfully, then I'll go for medical.
Actually, I'm a little shocked. I did not see my results in the morning, and I was just trying to get it, and the teachers called me up saying, "Hey, you topped science." So I was really shocked in the morning. Now, yeah, I'm very happy actually. Actually, I planned to do BSc in mathematics, but now after getting the first position, I'll see whatever offers and all I get, and I'll just pick the best from that. They helped me a lot actually. I was not the topper right from the beginning, and first I topped. First I slowly, I just topped in the class, and then slowly, I just imperceptibly I just topped the board. Actually, they always kept on motivating me. They told me that yes, also you can do this, and after getting the first position last year in science, they also became a little extra inspired, and then they just kept me motivated throughout the year, and they always say they help me out, be it doubts or I'm felt stressed or relieving the stress or something. Always they help me out very much. Consistency, and I'll say not being too much of extra over serious, to not being too much of over serious, and just knowing that what is the need of the hour. Like if the need of the hour is that you need to study for 2 hours, 3 hours, like after your school gets over, then your practical, then your tuitions, you just hardly manage 2 or 3 hours. At that time, if you're just stressed and want to study for 8 hours or 9 hours, you'll not be able to make it, and you'll just deteriorate your health and all. At that time, if you get 2 hours, just give 100% in those 2 hours. Actually, that's I'm really confused. I initially wanted to become a marine engineer, and then I wanted to go for the banking sector and all, and now I'll see. I'm not sure about that.
Kibor penyat na kini ki school kila pen pau jing ngok men bagi khana school jongki kila wan chakmat hakani ka exam but ai jing ro e jing trace tom jongki
Laban Bengalee Boys HSS ni dap lagi jis kongo yo play bau play layat Kyrwoh ke school juni na koi ke por shikoi ke por mendak sni ka MBOSE ka penaya ka HSSLC result ni science stream but ki commerce stream abang yo jing tip ba ki khana juni kila job but kila poi shika thong ban yo adu new position na science but new position na ki commerce kalong ke ke bas ngot wat ladang ila perkhat bat ngila kemiden tiba kin say yo ha ka first stop ka first position baro R stream re wala ka taru re ni dap ka jikmen ma ba majority ni iba kna jingi kila ora ka school jingi shikmat ke ni ke baro ka de ke jing punya ke jong blay ke jing trace tom jong kinoi kai ke jing trace tom jong kna school ba ke jing bodin jong mi ki pa kumba sam khat khandai pwe khot kha saw ko the Lord says, I will rescue those who love me. I will protect those who trust in my name. When they call on me, I will answer, and I will be with them in trouble. I will rescue and honor them, and I will reward them for their faithfulness. I try to get jing at ne, but jing tip blay jungi, jing hikai jungi has scored in ikna. I go a Porsche, go a poor back in tip blay, but ha kita jing trace tom junkiru. Yat I'm in CM nak we ke Porsche ko we ke por hagi ni kisnam ki bla ledru ni la long barbor ki top bat haduk mentaru ki kena jungi ki dang yat beteng ya kata ke jing pesan nam ya ke teng jong ka school sinatri high secondary ni dap ke jisngu ya ki no hikai ba nak we ke Porsche ko we ke por ki la nang yat ai jing nang jing start ki la nang ai ke jing ya kentui ki khon jungi bakin le ba ha ki exam prepare but ni nang yat kemiden ti shushu ba kinang push kmat kani gede gejing sedang jungki ha gejing yat dan ti ha gejing puli putih gejing pekret am tak kalau gejing em jungki git bokit wiang yaki ban ya ku blay git bokit wiang halol jungki ba kinang yat ba nang ni kmat ba kin le ba ke baro ku blay sibu.
Good afternoon. I am Brother Laban Bengalee, Principal of St. Edmund's Higher Secondary School. Today the board, Meghalaya board, declared its results for science and commerce students. And here in St. Edmund's, we feel proud of our students who have done well. And I would like to mention the names of two students who secured ranks. Steffi Snethan of science secured the second rank, and Eliezer Laithep of commerce secured the 9th rank. We also have a few students who have secured highest marks in different subjects, and we have many students who have got first class, second class, and who have cleared the exam. We are proud of these students who have done well. We are also proud of our teachers who have worked hard with them, not just before exams, but during the course of the 2 years that these students are here, doing their class 11 and class 12. And we hope and pray that we will continue to work hard and give of our best to our students.
Parents teachers cooperation. This is the main role of my school. So whatever student we are getting may not be from very good background, means economically good background. So we have to get information from their parents, what is the situation. And our well-wishers, ex-students, they provide financial help to the students. This helped a lot for this. Actually, our result does not depend on rank only. Our percentage is high. In science stream, we have scored 100%. In commerce stream, it is 90%. Our students, they get motivation from the teachers, sometimes from different part of the country, people come and visit our school. We allow them to talk to them so that they get the information of other world other than Shillong. So from that, they certain motivation they get, and also they changes their mind for their studies. If there is no hope, no one will study. So the dream is given by us to the student so that they can dream better of themselves, and the result is the outcome, whichever you have seen. Tuition is not required because my team of teachers is very good, and they have already 25 years, more than 25 years of experience. Okay, and they are also very good teachers. They are having reputation, so I don't think they have to go outside. With the same batch of teachers, they are helping other institutions also. So that means our student doesn't need to go outside.